YouTube, what's going on? It's Rob with Spread Splash Fragrance Reviews, and today we're going to be talking about 6 fragrances guaranteed to make you smell like a boss. If you're interested in finding out what those fragrances are, please stay tuned. So the first fragrance that I think is guaranteed to make you stand out and smell like a boss, Tom Ford Extreme. All right, this one is, man, it's so nice. This one is like this really earthy patchouli with this truffle note, mixed with a little bit of fig, and it's got some other things going on, but it's kind of in the fougere style, but it's done differently, guaranteed to make you smell like a boss. A little harder to find, but I think it's definitely worth the search. Again, Tom Ford Extreme. Second fragrance guaranteed to make you stand out and smell like a boss is the one and only Egoist from Chanel. This is a definite certified classic, really smooth sandalwood mixed with some nutmeg. All right, a little bit of rose, incredible smelling fragrance. I think this is one for the 30 and over crowd, one that you've got to get your nose on. I would recommend trying to get a vintage bottle of it. I think it's well worth it. From the house of Chanel, Chanel Egoist. From the house of Florist, this is Santol. This is a really nice lavender and sandalwood combo, one that guaranteed to make you smell extremely elegant, high class, well put together. A fragrance that I think you definitely need to check out, and it's very affordable. All right, again, from the house of Florist, this is Santol. From the house of Dior, the one and only Eau Sauvage Parfum. This is the 2012 edition. I know they redid it in 2017. This is one, if you want an upscale, elegant fragrance, you gotta get this one in your collection. It's worth the retail price tag. Don't even bat an eye. I think this is one for the 30 and up crowd. Pretty much it's this really nice, like lime top with this really cool resinous myrrh note. It's got some other things going on, but that's kind of what you get. Full body. I would really think that this fragrance to me is more for fall and winter. Wear it whenever you want to, but one to definitely make you stand out and smell like a boss. Eau Sauvage Parfum from Dior. Modern day classic from George Zaharoff. This is Signature Pour Homme. This is an incredible release. If you've never gotten your nose on it, I really highly encourage you to try to get your nose on this one. This is a modern masculine fragrance. It's aromatic. It's got the sweetness to it. It's got this nice oud accord, but like not skanky, more like subdued. It's got the freshness. It's got the sweetness. It's got the cardamom. I mean, this is just a really well done fragrance that will definitely make you smell like a boss, and one that if you're trying to impress, I think you should have this one in your collection. All right, from the house of Zaharoff, this is Signature Pour Homme. From the house of Tristardi, this is Tristardi Uomo from the Laverio collection. Incredible release. This one smells like a definite boss. Nice citrus top. It's got sage. All right, it's got this geranium note. It's got this crispness to it. One that is definitely worth checking out in a house that more people really need to start getting into, because Tristardi puts out a lot of quality releases, but for whatever reason in the States, they don't really seem to get a lot of love. I think you should really start checking these guys out. All right, those are my 6. Thank you so much. I wanted to make it quick, to the point. 6 fragrances that make you smell like a boss. If you've got some fragrances that make you smell like a boss, put those in the comments. I'd really like to see what fragrances you would recommend for me. Thank you so much for checking out the channel. Give me a like if you choose. Stay safe. I will talk to you soon. Peace.